Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Kowal's Kitchen. I'm Chef Nathan. Today, we'll be making pancakes. All right. So as with most great things in life, pancakes can be made from a box mix. That's what we will be using today. We have some Bisquick pancake mix, nothing crazy. And we have our ingredients ready to be mixed in this bowl. We have 2 cups of the mix, a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Alright, so we're just going to use our whisk. Give this a nice little mix until combined. And it's looking maybe a little thick, so we're going to use a little milk, lighten this up a little bit. If you want to be better. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, whoa, 360. That's what the mix is looking. Alright, so we have the pan on a nice medium-low right now, and a tip for the maybe less experienced amateur cooks out there, when you want to see if your pan's hot enough to cook whatever you're intending to cook, you just get a little water, flick it into the pan. If you hear that sizzle, that means that pan's piping hot, ready to go. We'll make some pancakes. So I'm just taking a couple spoonfuls of our mix here. Trying to spread that evenly in the pan, of course. Alright. There we are. Alright. So the pancake is bubbling, which means the bottom should be about done. Just get that a little. Voila. So we're just going in with a couple spoonfuls of our boxed mix, like so. And you know, Kowal's Kitchen gets the question a lot. How did you get the elusive 4th Michelin star? Because you can really technically only get 3. And I always tell them the same thing. It's the box pancakes mix. It's box pancake mix because it's just America in a dish, if we're being honest. Innovation, industrialization at its finest, and we just keep it simple yet elegant at Kowal's Kitchen. All right. So as you guys know, this would not be Kowal's Kitchen without a little lesson about cooking. So as we're making this last pancake, I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about what's happening in the pan. So first of all, as we've already talked about, we're using a box mix. And this box mix is really not too different than if you were to use all the ingredients on their own. It's just a time saver. But the reason that we have to combine this box mix with milk and eggs is to rehydrate all the fats that are present in that box mix. And then talk about what's happening in the pan a little bit. We're cooking via conduction because we're making direct contact. Our substance is making direct contact with the pan, and that's how the heat's being transferred. And if you look at this bubbling that's happening on top of the pancake, that's how it's being cooked, right? The chemical reaction. The heat is denaturing some of these starch molecules that are present. This is called gelatinization. It's when a liquid batter, something like that, turns into a solid. And once we flip, you will see that we've created our own Maillard reaction, this browning effect that's happening as a result, once again, of the heat and the caramelization that's occurring via the substances in this pancake. So yeah, just a little bit about the chemistry behind the pancake. Wouldn't be Kowal's Kitchen, like I said, without it. So hope you guys enjoyed. And just to show you guys the final product, this is what we're looking for. Nice brownness. Ooh, that was a little underdone. but nice brownness on both sides.